Let me present you yet another AI assistant. This time we are meeting Claude. I believe Claude is also a good choice if you like ChatGPT and Hugging Chat. I have found out that after playing around with Claude a bit, that it is quite easy, just like other tools. But Claude seems a bit more intuitive in terms of user experience. Claude is a next generation AI assistant based on Anthropic's research into training helpful, honest, and harmless AI systems. Accessible through chat interface and API in the developer console, Claude is capable of a wide variety of conversational and text processing tasks while maintaining a high degree of reliability and predictability. Claude can help with use cases including summarization, search, creative and collaborative writing, question and answers, coding, and bit more. There have been few customer reports which Anthropic has compiled on their website, and you can check it on anthropic.com. And I will also put the link to it in video's description, of course. And those customer reports um, tells us that this tool is quite promising in terms of producing less and less chances of producing harmful output. It's quite easier to converse with and more steerable. So you can get your desired output with less effort in Claude. Also, Claude can take direction from you on personality, tone, and behavior. There are two versions of Claude available as of today. One is called as Simple Claude, and another one is Claude Instant. Claude is a state-of-art high-performance model, whereas Claude Instant is a lighter, less expensive, and much faster option. And I have found out that for most of the use cases, Claude Instant is good enough. Claude is evolving pretty quickly, and you can expect more and more updates in the coming weeks. Yes, we are talking about weeks and not months. That is how quickly the AI is evolving. I would suggest that if you are a fan of ChatGPT and Hugging Chat, then maybe go ahead, go to this website of Claude, request access, which is free for the trial purposes, and try it out. You can also integrate it in the Slack. I hope that you found it interesting. If you have any feedback, please put it in the comment section. Thank you very much.